Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be doing a refrigerator cleaning video. I went to the store and bought these organizers. I think they're actually meant to be shoe boxes. I don't know, I got them at Target and they were only 99¢, which is like really good price, but I'll show y'all later in the video. So I wanted to get, you know, those pads that you put down that absorb the gases from food so it keeps your food staying better longer. I wanted to get some of those and then maybe just cut it in half and line the bottom of the containers with those. But I never did find them, so I'm not sure. I don't know if you have to order them or maybe I'm just looking in the wrong spot. I don't really know. But that's my goal whenever I can find them, is to put them in the bottom of the containers that I got. But for right now, that could have been bad. So right now I'm just going to be just cleaning the refrigerator out because there's probably stuff in there I don't even know is in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and clear the refrigerator out, get it really nice and clean, and then just put everything back. Let's go do it. I think I have a pickle problem. So sorry guys, my camera died, but here I'm just showing you the shoe organizers, and I have one that I just put some vegetables that I still need to use and then some limes. So my plan was to use one for vegetables and then one for fruit, but that's all that I had. So I know, but I have a whole slew of pickles, so I'm good in that department. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!